Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Crypto Hunter. This is the other video of Multiversum ICO review. I'm sure you've seen the first one, and if not, make sure you look at it in my YouTube channel. And for you guys that have seen the first one, thanks for joining me on the other part of Multiversum ICO review. Like I used to say, please note that I'm not your financial advisor. It's just my own personal opinion. The market is still very volatile. You might need to do your own personal research before investing in any cryptocurrency project. And please make sure you invest the money in which you're ready to lose. So guys, let's get back to the Multiversum ICO second video review. So basically, like I said earlier in the first video, Multiversum must actually be recognized on the internet variously. So this is the Multiversum ICO website. And then I would like to quickly show you something on Twitter. So like here, the founder announces something on He announced something on 23 May of 23. He said, Multiversum is the blockchain evolution. MTV is an innovative way to look at the future, change point of view. Join MTV ICO, become part of the revolution. This was actually a YouTube video of the founder. Also, there's something I would like to show you here for you to know how far Multiversum has gone in the cryptocurrency market. So this year, this was on May 15th. He said a new cryptocurrency has been added on Multiversum platform. Much has already been achieved thanks to Multiversum participation in Consensus 2018. Multiversum here to stay. So this is actually telling us that Multiversum was actually present in the Consensus 2018, which took place at New York, and that, I must say, is a great step, which means Multiversum has been recognized for it to partake in the Consensus 2018. Then also on Medium, there has been a lot of news about Multiversum. This is Multiversum profile on Medium. I'll be giving you the link to the description of the video below, so you can follow them up also. And there was something I saw here about the founder of Multiversum. So his name is Andrew Tiny, CEO and founder. And he said, Andrew Tiny, CEO and founder of Multiversum, he loves innovation and blockchain. That is why in 2016 he decided to combine these two passions. So basically, this founder is a lover of innovation and blockchain. So in 2016 he had the passion to actually combine both innovation and blockchain together to provide us Multiversum token. So basically, this is just like the passion behind Multiversum being originated as from 2016. So basically, let's just get back to their website. And there was also something the founder said on YouTube. This is the link. Although I've opened it in a new tab, but I would like us to just look at this video together. Perhaps you might get to understand better also. This is it here. So let's just watch it together.
The next generation blockchain is here to stay. Multiversum is the fourth generation relational blockchain. All previous limits have been shattered. Infinite opportunities of new applications to fit the most different scenarios, achieving a security level never experienced before. Come on in and find out more. Multiversum, here to stay.
Alright, so that's basically just a short video for Multiversum. Like I said, it's here to stay. So let's just come on and get to know more about Multiversum. I'm going to be showing you guys the features, benefits which you can get from Multiversum. So basically, let me just start from here. Download app. You can download their speed test app for Android and iOS in preparation, and start receiving and sending test payment from and to everywhere in the world on your mobile device. So actually, when the app has been speed tested, and you can download and start receiving test payment from anywhere and everywhere in the world through your mobile device. This is the link through which you can download the Multiversum app on Google Play. So these are the expo and summits which happened, although it has been missed. But I would just quickly like to move over to why you should invest in Multiversum. Like I said earlier, Multiversum is the fourth generational blockchain. So basically, this is why you should invest in Multiversum. First one is relational blockchain. A Brownian blockchain which features different types of data related in a multi-dimensional structure. It is a blockchain which has different data and it is somehow related in a multi-dimensional structure. And also, we have a splittable chains here. Splittable chains, resources optimization among nodes because of chain severability. Also, we said earlier that with the test app of Multiversum, you can use to send money anytime and everywhere around the world through your mobile phone. So actually, to support that, they actually have a transaction speed of 0.2 seconds. In 0.2 seconds, funds are transferred from one wallet to another through your mobile app. So this actually is a great feature, I must say. Within 0.2 seconds, anywhere and everywhere in the world, at any time, you can transfer from one wallet to another. Also, let's get to this. It said 64. Okay, this is 64,000 TPS, the transaction throughput. Unlimited scalability system, that is 64,000 TPS, in brackets 1,000 TPS over core. On a 64-core server, support to 64 plus cores technology. Also, we have the proof of integrity, POS, proof of stake will be replaced by POF, proof of integrity. Then also we have the next generation wallet, cutting-edge security in access and fund transfer with biometric input with multi-currency support. It actually supports various currency with the use of biometric input and can use it to access and transfer funds easily. Then it is also eco-friendly. A Multiversum transaction will have thrifting cost and next to zero environmental footprint. Also, there's a rollback. Rollback will not operate on coins but on token. There's actually a rollback on the token and not the coin. So please just get note of that. It's very important. Also, there's recovery node physical servers allocation. The servers which run recovery node are scattered all over the world in case of global disaster recovery. So actually the nodes are scattered all over the world in case of global disaster, that which to make it easy for them to recover their server all over the world. So depending on where there is global disaster, it can actually be recovered from another part of the world. So that's why it has been scattered all over the world to actually get it recovered easily whenever there is a global disaster. Okay, so the Multiversum itself. Let me quickly read this to you guys. Public health, finance, and the whole economic system are about to join the technology revolution brought by blockchain. One of our main goals is to meet the needs of every market entity that requires high operational security and can improve its productivity with blockchain technology. With our high security and stability standards, we make the concept of blockchain 4.0 real and operative, offering innovative and efficient solution and thrifting called the belief that inspired the late Multiversum are the Green Wave Manifesto for the environmental values and the triple bottom line principle which can be presumed in 3 words. So actually these are the innovative and efficient solutions that actually led Multiversum into this blockchain and innovative combination. Is the Green Wave Manifesto and also the triple bottom line principle. So they said it can be explained in 3 words. So these are the basic 3 words: people, planet, and profit. Like they said here, for people, the social respect, individual development, respect of human value is actually a respect in the value of human individually and the development in which can be derived from each and every one of us. And also the planet, this is the environmental aspect. There is crucial resource whose respect is inexorable. That is, there's a very important resource which can be inexorable in respect to planet. And also profit, economic aspect. Engine of every project is determined its ability. To every project there's also a profit which is looked up to. So basically, Multiversum can be defined with these 3 basic words: people, planet, and profit. The social aspect, you have the environmental aspect, and also the economical aspect. Then, over the years, there's this problem which Multiversum is here to solve for us. So let's just look at it also. However, the modern blockchains can interface complex data and provide them promptly to the network. They also do not block backend control over system integrity and security. Therefore, current situation does not use market expansion in institutional, financial, industrial, and governmental environments. Some cryptocurrencies are currently used in the market, but the complexity of their implementation makes them scarcely usable. Actually, some cryptocurrencies are currently used in the market, but how complex and how will I say it now? How complex it is for users is like most of those cryptocurrencies are not totally user friendly. Like it's kind of complex for users to use them, which actually makes them scarce. That's why there's an interface in which is user friendly for any user that's trying to use it. You don't need to actually learn towards using it or something. It's not complex enough for you to use. You can easily use and you can easily grab and start using it as easy as possible. So the solution which Multiversum is going to be provide is a relational blockchain 4.0. So we provide our customer with tools that allow the generational leap to a safer blockchain 4.0, able to create synergies among cryptocurrency and to adapt to their specific needs, splitting and rejoining itself, allowing for a neater and faster data flux, which can manage them in a complex structured universe. So with this, you can actually split and rejoin itself with a specific need at a particular time. So these are the node features: relational database, divisible chains, interoperability with other blockchains, Multiversum mainnet, and the smart contract. These are the features of Multiversum. Also, like I said, we've gone through the various news and how Multiversum has been published through the internet over the years. How Multiversum took part in the Consensus 2018 at New York, what the CEO and founder was there to say to us. And also we've watched a short YouTube video of Multiversum, which I know will also assist them in understanding what Multiversum is all about. And we'll talk about the problem and solution which Multiversum is there to provide. So basically, I'm going to be doing a last video for you guys so that you can I will be using the last video to actually round up everything about Multiversum ICO review. So you guys don't need to watch this video. Make sure you like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on the bell notification for you to get notification anytime I release another new video. I will catch you guys in the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.